This is how you fix most of your audio issues. First thing you do is you open up your settings, which you can access by clicking Windows key and the I key. You go into your system, then you go into sound and then sound control panel. And now this little window appears. So what you do down here is first of all, you disable everything that you don't use. Maybe your monitors, maybe your webcam has a microphone that you don't use or a speaker. Disable those in here. You go into recording tab and then you select your microphone. In my case, I have a GoXLR interface. So for me, it's a little bit different, but for you, you select your microphone, click properties. And here, what you do is you go into levels, make sure this is on the max. If your microphone randomly became quieter, this is probably what caused it. Set this to 100. And if you have live monitoring enabled, there will be another slider down here with how loud you hear yourself. If you don't have that, it won't be here, so don't worry about it. Next up, you go into enhancements, you disable all of these. Next up, you go into advanced, you set your format to be on the highest frequency and 2 channels if you have that. Most microphones by default are set on single channel. You're better off with 2 channels. In exclusive mode, you disable both of these. Your software, which needs to control your microphone or headphones, will still be able to control it no matter if it's Razer app, HyperX app, or even the GoXLR. It does not need these permissions. Even if you disable this, they will still be able to do what they need to do, don't worry. This just prevents other applications like games and other applications which should not control your audio, prevents them from controlling it, if that makes any sense. So you do that pretty much for all your microphones and your headphones so they don't keep on randomly switching on and off. One more thing which you should do is right click and select your microphone as default and default communication device. Same with your headphones, you should do that. That will also prevent most applications from using the wrong microphone or headphones when you start them. So that should help with games which do not allow you to change your microphone, or even Discord, which sometimes, if you don't have this set, sometimes the Discord will set your device to the default device instead of your microphone. This applies to any application where you need to use your microphone. But I'm going to use Discord, for example. Make sure that your input and your output device is always on the correct one. Do keep in mind that these settings can be undone with every Windows update. They sometimes randomly get undone. That's just Windows for you. If you ever have the same issues again, just check if they re-enable themselves, because that does happen. This is Windows after all. Also, if you want to know what's the best way to record game clips, check out this video on screen now. And I'll see you next time.